Hey, what's going on? I'm Devon Holland, and today we will be doing day one of our workout plan designed for beginners. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out our video, how to start a workout plan for beginners. This is the first workout, but in that last video, I teach you exactly how to create a workout plan for yourself. And in these following videos, I'm gonna show you exactly how to follow through with those workout plans so you can see the results that you desire. All right, let's get moving. It's Monday. We're hitting legs. In a HIIT circuit, we have 7 exercises. We're doing 2 to 3 rounds per exercise. So let's get started. Starting off this workout, we have glute bridges. Lateral leg raises are next. Then we're hitting squats. We have lunges in there, some step ups, and some single leg deadlifts. Go ahead and follow along. Make sure you get a warm up, and let's get started.
Monkey.
Hey guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, go ahead and let me know your comments in the comment area, and stay tuned to this next workout because we're hitting the row machine. I'm gonna give you some great motivation, so stay tuned, and until next time, let's keep moving.